Today I will show you how you can create a newbie explanation channel like this. Let's check this channel. They are generating huge views. But is this channel monetized? Let's check. First visit this link. Then copy and paste the channel link here. Look, this channel is monetized. So we can make this type of channel. This channel is uploading on video every single day. This channel is getting on an average 100,000 views for every single video. His video length is around 10 to 15 minutes. So this channel is earning huge amount of money. Then why not you? So to start, first you need the topic or the movie name. You just select on movie from the channel. Like I will make my video on John Wick Chapter 4. Then we need the script. For script I have few options. First, you can watch the full movie and make your own script. Second option is ChatGPT. But for new movies, ChatGPT is not going to give you the script. But for old movies, you can use ChatGPT. Third options are Wikipedia and IMDb. First check Wikipedia and now check the plot. For IMDb, check the movie synopsis. So here is your content. Now you can use them or you can write them with your own words. Fourth option is YouTube. Just search John Wick Chapter 4 explanation. You will get a lot of videos. Just listen one of them and then write your own content. So using these four options, you can make your own script. Now we need voiceover. For voiceover, I am going to use 11 Labs. So just copy your script and paste it in this box. From this option, select your voiceover artist. Now click on generate.
In New York City, John Wick prepares to exact vengeance against the High Table.
Okay, our voiceover is ready. Now click here to download. So the voiceover is downloaded. Now we need to edit the video, the most important part. For editing video, I am using CapCut. This is a free software and very much user friendly. You can just download and install it. I have imported all my files. This is the movie, this is the audio, and this is the background music that I downloaded from YouTube Creator Studio. So first drag the movie. Now go to ratio, select 6:9. Now adjust the video. At first we will mute the audio. So click on the video, go to audio and decrease it. So we have no audio in this video. Our next step is we will slow the speed of this video. So click on this video, go to speed and slow it. That's it. Our next step is taking some clips. The clip's length will be 6, 7 or 8 seconds. Don't take any clips more than that. So step from here. First I am clicking here and splitting from this position. Here is 7 minutes 23 seconds. So it is 7 minutes 31 seconds. So split it here. This is our first clip. Then again I will split it here and I will take a 8-second clip. This is our second clip. I will take few more 7-8 second clips. So just follow the steps. So I have taken few clips. You just take as much clip as you need. You can also use some images. Just download them from Google. Now I am deleting the rest. Now drag them at the beginning. Now we need the audio, the voiceover. I have done only a small part of my script, so my audio length is short. So I am deleting the rest clips. Just select them and delete.
In New York City, John Wick prepares to exact vengeance against the High Table while hiding under.
You can just adjust the scene with your audio. I am just showing the samples. So after doing this, drag the effect over it. Like click on effect and drag any effect over the video. then drag it to the end. From these options, you can control the effects like speed, size, filters, colors, atmospheres. That's it. Now go to media and add a background music. I have downloaded this background music from YouTube Creator Studio. Go to basic and decrease the volume. That's it. And split the audio and delete the rest. This is the process you can make your explanation video. This is the process that everybody is doing. But for keeping your channel safe, add some images in your video. Like I have downloaded some images from Google. Then how to add it? Just this is the first clip. Then add an image. Give this image some animation, like click on here, add keyframe. Then come here and scale it. Then add the second clip. Then add another image. Also give it some animation, like the same way. Now add another clip, and that's it. So add on clip, then on image, then on clip, then on image. Just follow these steps to keep your channel safe. And now export it. Give it a name, John Wick. Now export. You will find a lot of channels like this. Everybody is doing the same. You just listen what they are saying and then make your own content and make the video like this way. That's it. And think that YouTube, it cannot get the success within one day. Just maintain the consistency. You will get the success.